Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is going to give you the ability to take your Tesla charger and charge a non-Tesla car. So if you have one of those Tesla chargers already in your car, in your house, and you have one of your friends coming over that's got a traditional J1772 adapter, this is going to give us the ability to charge them up. So I'll show you guys how it works here. So this is the end there. Or if you have like something like a Rivian and you want to go to the Tesla charger, you know, now they allow it, but you got to have your own charger. So this is going to go in here, I guess, like, like this. And so there, now it's plugged into there, and now we can plug it into our other car. So how cool is that? So it gives us the ability to do that. It locks into place with this little button here, so then we can take it off when we want to. So, and we can put it back on. And then we have this one here to lock it into the car of the other type. So it's really nice to have. So super cool. Comes with a little bag for it. So I'm going to keep this handy, so whenever anybody visits me, I'll be able to give them a boost. So super cool, because I have a Tesla. So super awesome. Thumbs up.